Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a group in VRChat. So if you want to create a group in VRChat, then this video is for you. So first you have to simply let me exit from here. So first you have to simply click on the browser here. Now search for VRC, and you have to go to the VRChat official web page here, so like this. And after that you have to log into your account. Simply click on login. Now here you can see it will allow you to log into your account, so you can use your login credentials. As you can see, I have just used my login credentials to log into my account here. Now from here you can simply find the groups button here down to the home. So you have to simply click on groups here, and from here you can find 4 options like own groups, join groups, groups invite, or blocked group. So if you want to create a group, you can find the create group button here, but for that you will find that you can actually create a group, because if you don't have the VRC plus, or if you don't have purchased the VRC plus, then it won't allow you to create the group. So for here you have to simply click on VRChat plus, and from here that how to support, you get in 3 steps. So you have to simply pay for that VRC plus. Here is all the process how you can actually do it. So the pricing you should go with like, if you open the game, here is a game, let me show you. Go to menu, and from here you can find this plus icon here, plus with the chat button here before the sound here, so sound option. Now simply click on it and simply click on learn more about this VRChat plus, and here you can see the pricing that is monthly. It will charge 9.99 USD for it, and if you go with yearly, then it will only cost you 99.99 USD. So from here you can go with that. After purchasing this VRChat plus, you can actually create the group on the VRC official webpage. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.